Okay, I'm ready.
These oranges are in containers. This is tangerine. Or this is sweet orange. People complain that they have no land, but you can easily put this on the corridor. And then you have oranges and tangerines to your satisfaction. You have these highly improved pawpaw varieties. They are heavy ecotypes because the fruits are heavy. Each fruit can take a family of 10 at a go. So they are heavy fruits. And they are prepared here for farmers to come and pick and plant in their farms, in their gardens. And they can sell the fruits in the local market or in urban market like Enugu, and then move away from poverty. And they're able to take care of their children in the school and pay their rents. These are high-yielding Tenera palms. This is a nursery, and farmers also come here to pick and plant in their farms, generate money to move out of poverty, pay their rents, and also pay school fees for their children. So these are high-yielding Naifor Tenera palms. They are hybrid palms. Yeah. Dry season tomato production. The gentlemen you see working, they are being trained so that they can also go to their own gardens to produce their tomatoes and generate money for their children. And tomato production in southern Nigeria could be difficult. Usually so many challenges ranging from biotic stresses to abiotic stresses. But these people, having gone through this training, they're able to grow tomatoes with very minimum challenges in terms of diseases, in terms of weather vagaries. So we're able to put them on the right track with respect to dry season cropping and dry season production of vegetables. What they are doing now is tomato production. Yeah.
Prof, that disease is Nanga.
Wow, I'm at one. Okay. This is also dry season pepper production. This is a high premium Nsukka yellow pepper, known for its flavor and the yellow color. These are the selling points, and it attracts a lot of premium, a lot of money. So when people are taught how to grow this pepper, it's enough to cause them to generate sufficient money to take care of their families in terms of settling their bills and paying fees for their children. So you can see how prolific. You can see how prolific it is in production if it is properly managed. If it's properly managed, and it's a lot of money because each one here should be able to give about 500 naira. So that is enough to arm families with respect to raising funds for running family affairs. I want to thank you for taking out time to visit my garden, to see the few things we are doing here to help humanity and help to organize Nigerian agriculture. I am very grateful, and I hope that you find time again next time to come. Thank you very much.
All right.